Reach and Match Learning Kit. Fun for all. Reach and Match empowers children with all abilities and promotes inclusion. It's a fun and innovative tool to help children develop literacy and essential childhood skills. Reach and Match contains 4 double-sided mats in 3 primary colors: red, yellow, and blue, and 1 secondary color, green. One side contains a textured pattern, with each mat having a distinctive pattern. The other side contains a recessed path. The 3-foot square mats interlock into various configurations. Reach and Match contains 26 double-sided tiles in matching colors. One side contains a braille and print letter, and the other side has the corresponding color-specific pattern. The tiles fit in shaped holes on the mat's path side. Using this, children learn braille and print, motor development, direction and spatial awareness, and tactile skills. A young boy is playing on Reach and Match, and a teacher asks him to sort different shapes of tiles. He sorts out the shapes confidently, counts them, and matches the tiles' patterns with the mat's patterns. The boy is very satisfied when he finishes.
Well done.
Good. Did you know each shape has its own voice?
It does.
Yes, each shape of tile has a distinctive sound. Red circle, blue triangle, green square, and yellow pentagon. An older boy is playing on the path side of the mats, and a teacher asks him to fit the tiles into the holes on the mats. The boy learns that by rotating the tile, it fits in the hole. Through this activity, he learns tactile tracking skills and orientation and spatial concepts.
Direction you're putting it in. That's it. Good.
The Reach and Match carry bag makes the kit portable for teachers on the go. The round cushion with a zipper stores the tiles. Children enjoy constructing Reach and Match into 2D and 3D configurations. The fun is expandable with multiple kits to accommodate a large class. The mats interlock for easy assembly. The Reach and Match Inclusive Learning Program provides 7 learning outcomes: braille and print learning, cognitive skills, sensory integration, sense of satisfaction, language enrichment, body movement, and social interaction. It includes over 30 exercises and games for students to learn these skills through play. Here, children jump over a mat of mats playing the river crossing game. Teachers find that the games easily adapt into existing curricula. Reach and Match is an innovative way to learn, interact, and share joy. Thank you for your support. Reach and Match, keeping in touch. Available in the United States and its outlying areas at www.aph.org. American Printing House for the Blind, Louisville, Kentucky.